So dear student, I think we have already started learning of exemptions. Okay, and till here we got to know from section 1 till section 11 is there in our syllabus of even C1, continuous evaluation 1. So we need to be very particular. It's not only section 11 we need to know, even beyond that, section 7 or many things which are covering this exemption or negative list are also very, very important to tackle the questions based on exemption. And this is very easy topic even if you'll ask for the examiner to set multiple choice question. 1 or 2 items from exempted list or 5 items from exempted list, they may give in the exam and 5 questions is done. Do you agree with me or not? At a certain interval, 1 exempted things they may give, and then you have to identify whether it will be taxable or not. Okay, and thereby suppose we have learned that in hotel and accommodation where the tariff is less than 1,000, they may give you more than 1,000 and then they may ask the question. So likewise they may ask the question. So you need to be very, very particular about all this. And along with section 11, we need to keep check on section 7 too also, which we have seen during last lecture, which talks about negative list. So even during that lecture also, there were certain students who have asked, the negative means it's not like they may not be charged under tax. They may also be charged under tax, but in the different, act. So likewise, there will be, taxability, and accordingly they'll be charged. Shreyas, is there any doubt? Please.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, as you have said कि section exemption under section 11 में NSDC के courses पे taxes नहीं लगता है ना. But I have one course, मतलब I wanted to register for one course for NSDC, but उसमें वो लोग 18% GST charge कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, see again I'm telling you, courses पे नहीं रहेगा. The private tuition provided, like जैसे आपको पता है, even building पे भी GST नहीं applied है. Still the builder is charging GST, not for the registration of building, but for ancillary work what they provide. Okay, what is ancillary work? Fitting, furniture or furnished home जो बोलते हैं ना, उससे they charge and then they will collect from the consumer. Similarly, NSD के program पे नहीं रहेगा. If they are providing additional services, suppose they have bought certain place और वहाँ का rent भर रहे, okay, to provide such services. In such cases, to overcome those costs, they may charge, but course पे नहीं charge कर सकते.
कोर्स फीस पे इसमें लिखा है 20,000 का है प्लस 18% GST.
हाँ नहीं, एक तो पहला
I have the brochure.
नहीं, एक तो पहला जो NSDC के प्रोग्राम है वो इतने कॉस्टली प्रोग्राम है ही नहीं. आप गवर्नमेंट के वेबसाइट पे जाके देखो, दे कैन नॉट चार्ज. ओके, इतना ज्यादा नहीं, वो तो मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ना, इट इज देयर ऑन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया पोर्टल. So what they must be doing, अभी जैसे देखो, ठाकुर कॉलेज इज नॉट चार्जिंग फीस GST from you guys. Yes, okay, but any vendor right now also इनका एग्जाम चल रहा है, बिट्स पिलानी का. Okay, बिट्स पिलानी students are also coming and giving the. You have seen in your college career also, you have seen many a times our classroom, we give to the CA people also, we give to the CS examination also. So in such cases, college charge GST. The same premises, the same infrastructure, the same thing. From student they are not charging, but from other vendors they are charging. There it is allowed. Understood? So in that context, they may charge.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Samida, you also ask.
Sir, I wanted to ask if Delhi and Puducherry have which kind of GST, because it is union territory also and legislature also, right?
No, UT GST.
So only one.
Yes, and CGST. See, there are two kind of GST. One is IGST, which is there if, between two states. So if Delhi also, someone who deals between Delhi and other states, they will charge IGST. Okay. But if it is within Delhi territory or within Puducherry territory, so you know in Maharashtra territory what we charge? Two tax. One is CGST and SGST. So in place of SGST, they will charge UTGST. And this all has different tax. Very nice. It shows that students started learning. I think we did this question first, second, third. यहाँ तक तो किया हम लोगों ने. कल्पेश्वरा भी हो गया ना, श्री दुर्गा भी हो गया. So we have seen either they may ask like this, or we may compute like this, or we may also put a remark with why it is chargeable, why it is not to be chargeable, etc. etc. यहाँ तक किया था if I am not wrong. चलो next. Very nice. This is regarding transport वाला. तो चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट से हम लोग आगे बढ़ गए अभी. By rail within India. So in this question, they wanted to ask only the taxable value, not the tax liability, of the transportation of goods by rail within India, all sums exclusive of all taxes. So there is no tax imposed on this. If it is inclusive, we have seen previous question. So then we have to divide by 180. But it is directly 18% to be charged as we did earlier. Transportation of postal mail and postal bags, 55 lakhs. Transportation of household effects, 50 lakhs. Transportation of petroleum products, 25 lakhs. Transportation of relief material, 25 lakhs. Transportation of newspaper, 15 lakhs. Transportation of milk, 15 lakhs. Transportation of alcohol beverages, 7 lakhs. Transportation of defense and military equipment, 40 lakhs. Transportation of chemical fertilizer, 90 lakhs. And transportation of other taxable goods, 200 lakhs. You have to take the total. Tanya, I have not received that list, mentor, mentee, TY and SY का बच्चा पार्टी.
सर उसका ना बस थोड़ा सा ये चेंजेस करना
होगा.
बाकी है ऐसे, क्योंकि वो हो गया है, मैं आपको आज शाम
कोई बात नहीं. Because these will be the base for next bulletin of ours. साइड बाय साइड बुलेटिन का भी काम होना चालू हो जाना चाहिए.
सर अभी बुलेटिन SY वालों से ही बनवाऊंगा.
हाँ. अपने खाली मॉनिटर करना. Now, one more update I wanted to make you all, that from today onwards, your 4-4 session of all subjects will start. You must have got the new timetable. Yes? Because by September, we need to finish the syllabus. In October, there will be an exam for you all for semester 5. And don't be under impression that we need to follow university timetable. Now, college has their own timetable. So thanks to God, you will get the exam. We will be able to conduct exam on time, and we will be in a position to give you a result on time. So you can plan accordingly. There won't be much mess. Clear? Eh? Your batch will be the first batch of autonomous. हाँ आराध्य बोल. हाँ बोल.
सर वही टाइम टेबल फॉलो करना है जो नया रिवाइज टाइम टेबल है, वही फॉलो करना है ना.
यस नया
जो रिवाइज टाइम वही फॉलो करना है ना.
हाँ नया टाइम टेबल रिवाइज फॉलो करना है आज से. Your class teacher must have forwarded in your group. So in short, tomorrow also I'll be having the same lecture at 9 a.m. Am I right? as per the revised timetable. So earlier it was on Friday, Saturday, and Monday. Now it will be on Friday, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. Just verify whether Tuesday you have a session or not.
Yes, 9 o'clock.
9 to 9. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Sir, what is demo races? हाँ
Demerges, Ray. See, I'll give you here. This is purely questions based on what I am asking you to refer. Now you please mute yourself. This point number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Just refer. Agricultural produce, if we have. Milk, salt, if we have. Under section 11, subsection 21. So I have taken this type of question. Relief material you must have seen. Defense or military equipment you must have seen. Yes or no? So these all are exempted. Even railway equipment exempted. I believe this question is based on transportation of goods. Sorry, if it is transportation of goods, तो बेटा यहाँ से start होगा 18 से 18, 19, 20. मैंने बोला इतना ज़्यादा क्यों है? So your answer is here only. Just refer this, you will be in a position to answer. This PDF I have sent long back when we were discussing the PPT. Yes or no? Only this I have shared with you all. No other material I have said. Even last year also you must have realized the importance of section 10. Anywhere in any of the chapters they used to jump one or two items of section 10. Yes or no? In salary also they used to be there. House property also they used to be there. Business profession also they used to be there. So similarly this year your section 11 has their impact. So till tomorrow we will be having discussion, and on Friday or Saturday we'll be having assignments. तो देखो जो भी रिलीफ मटेरियल था they were exempted, न्यूज़पेपर था they were exempted, मिल्क था they were exempted. Okay, जो उसमें मिलिट्री इक्विपमेंट था they were exempted. Just now you have seen. So honestly speaking, this is section 11, subsection 21. But इतना आप नहीं याद कर पाओगे because there are so many subsections. Okay, that's why we have given list. In this question, they have just asked us to compute the total taxable supply. That's why we have not computed the tax liability. If it would have been like computation of tax liability, then we would have applied this and we could have calculated tax liability as well. Yes or no? This is known as total value of supply or taxable value of supply. Here also taxable value of supply. This was the question only. है ना? They were not completed, everyone. Thank you. Saditi, Kinjal, Rusti, Shakshi, they have completed. Mehak, Shruti, Sashi, Dinesh, Samida has also completed. Sanya and Prayas has also completed. I am talking to them who has put their, I mean, where there is two-way communication. I don't know whether there is, wherever there is one-way communication. What they are doing, it is up to them. And same way, I don't want any kind of disturbance. Thank you for your cooperation. Touchwood, today's session was much affected because there were no nonsense and antisocial elements. So honestly speaking, it is disturbing you guys also. Chalo. Let me finish this. Because see what will happen, we will finish these 2 days, all the questions. Then on Friday and Saturday, what we will do, we will try to complete the assignments. Okay, and you have seen our pattern of evaluation assignments also. So every student will be given chance. Okay, they have to show their index page, they have to show their roll numbers. Now you know your new roll number is must, okay, for the evaluation. So you have seen initially few questions were based on charitable trust. Then we have seen the questions based on transportation. Now we are finding that question based on agro products. So this kind of things may be there in the questions, and accordingly you have to handle those things properly without making any errors. So Mark Agro Product Limited furnishes the following details of various services provided by it in the month of August 2019, right? Rearing of silkworm and horticulture 2,50,000, plantation of tea and coffee 2 lakhs, renting of vacant land for performing marriage ceremony, sale of wheat on commission basis 50,000, sale of rice on commission basis 2 lakhs, compute the value of taxable services and GST liability of Mark Agro Product Limited for the month of August 2019, assuming the rate is 18%. So now here you cannot only get me the total value of supply. You have to go beyond. Okay, next time you can get me the answer. This will be a homework. Okay. Again, you have to refer here. Clear? Agro product and all. And then you have to get me whether which are taxable and which are non-taxable. Okay. Take the total, put the rate as 18% as we did in previous question, and get me the taxable liability. Ye question hai na? Just take down question. 1.5 minutes is there. Take down everyone question quickly. I'll check this question ka answer also on Friday. That is less than 1 minute. Screenshot leke rakh lo baba. Please, every one of you. If you will not be in a position to write so fast, screenshot leke rakho. इसके बाद लिख के फिर दूसरे लेक्चर का प्रिपरेशन करना है. I will take this answer on Friday first, and then we will proceed to learning next question. Is this clear? Hardly few seconds left.